Discover the ACO water cycle in an interactive 3D experience: collect, clean, hold, and reuse. Choose an environment and dive into realistic scenarios where ACO solutions come to life. Explore key applications, clearly marked within each environment. Click the red icon to explore solutions directly. Solutions can also be accessed through the menu located at the bottom of the screen. Some solutions are revealed only after selecting a specific section of the environment. This is indicated by a red highlight on the object and an arrow icon next to the vertical label. These solutions can also be accessed through the menu at the bottom of the screen. Each solution includes either a single product or a product assembly. Products marked with a blue plus symbol allow you to view detailed product information. Red arrows let you quickly switch between solutions within the selected application. At the bottom of the screen, you can change the material finish, listen to an audio commentary, or play a 3D animation. Watch 3D animations that showcase how ACO products work. Get closer with interactive product views, descriptions, and media. Use the menus to move easily through the experience. Available anytime on desktop and mobile. ACO, we care for water.